So how can the management of Indian Hotel surprise us after 7 or 8 quarters of a pleasant delight?
Yeah, thank you, Nikunj. This is 6th consecutive record quarter. And so the last quarter was the same, better than the Q2 last year. And I think we are on a good wicket. As World Cup is going on, let's use some cricket terminology. It's a good wicket, and it's a wicket to play on the front foot.
Okay, you are playing on the front foot, but the problem is that the pitch can still be challenging. And the challenging pitch essentially is the environment. The corporates we've spoken to of late, they are of the view that just when they were ready to accelerate, global macro concerns have come back, especially for the tourism sector, especially for the travel sector. Could that be a disruptive factor in your peak quarter, which is the current quarter?
I don't think so. I think what we have to do is avoid unforced errors, and you can still bat on the front foot. And very importantly, I think there are always macroeconomic factors, which is geopolitical in nature, which is a pandemic like we had. Something will keep happening, and will keep happening at a very consistent pace. But our change in the business model has helped us do a couple of things. One is we have created new businesses which are significantly higher margin and no capital investment, like the Ginger, Ama, Cumin. And we have used comprehensive asset management to reposition our iconic assets, not just only for being iconic, but to create more and more profitability on a per square foot basis. So our renovated Taj Mansingh today is extremely well positioned to do as well as it did before the extension of the lease, which came at a very high terms or at very difficult terms. Our ongoing renovation in Land's End, our addition of private membership club. Last week we opened the Chambers in West End. We renovated the one in Land's End. In our flagship, the Chambers will start undergoing renovations in a few months from now. So Chambers is an example of high margin businesses, and iconic assets like Taj Lands End today has an auditorium called Spectra for viewing of movies, for watching World Cup, booking birthday parties for kids. So I think all these factors, instead of saying you are asset heavy, wow, asset heavy is an opportunity because you decide what can be done with your asset. And as long as you're not making unforced errors, as I said, is well thought through, well calculated, all these assets, the absolute returns would keep going higher and higher.